Hi, my name is Don Holland with Advant-Edge Solutions of Mid-Atlantic, and I'm here to talk to you today about the proper setup of a box for packaging regulated medical waste, and particularly the box that we provide to our customers. What we have is a proprietary box that we've developed so that it's actually very secure, very solid, to ensure containment of the waste. First thing you'll notice about our box is the bottom is different. You'll see that we have different tabs and slots, but you'll also see that they're numbered. This is what's called a three-fold bottom. The purpose of this is to actually make the bottom of the box stronger, as opposed to the regular containers you would normally see from other haulers. We also have these tabs that you'll notice, and these are deliberate. These are to ensure that when you open the box and set it up, that the flaps don't stick out into the walkway. So the first step is to fold the top flaps over, open up the box, ensuring that these tabs aren't broken, and that'll keep the lid or the opening of the top secure. Then you turn the box over. All right, so you see the boxes are numbered. You got tab 1, that's the first one you push down. Then you have tab 2 and tab 3. You want to push these down so that everything's going inside this tab 1. Then you'll push this part down, pull it up, and that will actually create the bottom. The next step, you'll see it says tape here. Real easy, we're going to tape there. Take a piece of packing tape, come across the line, and secure it. Now the bottom of your box is secure. Earlier I mentioned the tabs. And the purpose of the tabs is to keep the box flaps from sticking out. So you'll see one here, you'll see one here, and you'll notice that the box stays nice and tight. The next step is to use the liner that we provide to you. These liners are marked, and these are considered the inner package. With regulated medical waste, you have 2 layers of packaging. The inner package, which is the red bag, and the outer package, which is the box or tub. So your liner itself simply goes right inside the box, and then you would deposit whatever waste you have that's considered potentially infectious. Okay. One thing you will notice is I'm not wearing any PPE because I'm doing a demonstration. If you're going to be handling regulated medical waste, please consult with your facility as to what would be appropriate. The best rule of thumb is to have a barrier between you and what you're handling. If it's your hands, you would have gloves. If you're concerned with your face, you would have a face shield. And the other point I would like to make is always keep everything away from your body. If you bring the medical waste up against you, you've created exposure. Keep the waste and the containers away from you. All right. When it's time to seal the bag, it's very important. Since this is considered the inner package, you have to seal it in a fashion that ensures the waste will stay contained. What we do is called a gooseneck. You simply twist it, as you can see here. Then you wrap it around, and you bring the bag through itself. Then once that's done, pull down on the knot to tighten it. Notice my hand is on the top side of the knot, not the bottom side of the knot, because I'm not trying to expose to the waste. I simply use the top of the knot, and I still have a barrier between me and what's in this container. All right, so the final step is to seal the box. And in doing so, you're simply gonna break the tabs loose. So you have 1 and 2, and then you're gonna get your tape, and you're just gonna simply follow the instructions on top. You fold your tabs over, and then right across the top indicates where you tape it. And the final step is to label the container properly. So everything's marked for the transportation. The last step is you would put your generator label here where it says label. This is actually going to be your information is the generator and our information is the transporter. The driver will prepare the shipping documents and get them to you. So you'll have a manifest that'll track your waste from the time we pick it up till the time it's destroyed. And that will be provided to you with your final invoice.